I have no idea if YouTube is going to censor this video, but what I do know is you're about to hear the word sex a lot in this video. As you may or may not know, China's media regulatory is very strict about ensuring that content remains child-friendly. This means that any media, even slightly associated with the idea of sex, is marked as sensitive. However, this restriction has fueled a generation of highly creative Chinese netizens who have found clever ways to get their message across. This video is designed to introduce you to some fun Chinese slang, expand your vocabulary, boost your motivation to keep learning, and most importantly, help you to impress your Chinese friends.
Nice.
If you're ready for some spicy Chinese vocabularies, well, buckle up, because this lesson is for adults only. First up, we have 做爱. 做 means to do or to make. 爱 means love. Therefore, if you put it together, 做爱, it means to do love or to make love. You know what that means. Now, if I were to ask, 你在做什么? What are you doing? You could say, 我在做爱 做的事情. Come on, guys. This is YouTube. And this video is, educational. The next sex slang we have is 上床. 上 means to go up or to attend. 上床 literally means go to bed. And you know what happens when you go to bed. Yes, now these days, if you say 上床, usually it's not as simple as go to bed. If you want to make it more clear to people, you could say 上床睡觉, meaning go to bed, sleep. Yeah, now these days, you want to be careful and make it more obvious for people if you don't want to send the wrong message. Now, the next one is 打炮. 打 means to hit or strike, but it also means to play, make, or to do. 打炮 literally means firing a cannon. Use your adult's imagination for this one. So if you can remember these three words, 做上打 做爱上床打炮, you'll be able to recognize and create your own sentences with them. Now, I don't want to overwhelm you with too much information. For these next few words, I'll keep it simple by just explaining the literal and implied meanings. But if you want a more detailed breakdown, I've put together a study guide with everything organized for you. You can find a download link in the description below as a little thank you for watching this video. Here comes the extra credit words. 滚床单. 滚 means to roll. 床单 means bed sheet. This suggests some things are getting quite active in bed. Number 2. Pa, pa, pa. This is a sound effect of rhythmic movement. And YouTube probably don't want me to explain this any further. A fancy way of saying pa, pa, pa is 为爱鼓掌. It makes the human interaction sound more poetic, like you're literally applauding for love. Number 3. 深入交流, deep or in-depth communication. As serious as it may sound, 深入 also means deep in. Yeah. That. If you hear someone says, 我们昨天深入交流了一下, they're probably not talking about philosophy. This next one is 我下面给你吃. I'll cook noodles for you to eat. 下面 means cook noodles, but it can also mean down there. What's down there? Last but not least, 那个, which usually is pronounced 那个 in speaking language. This word deserves its own video because it can mean almost anything depending on the context. One of its meaning is a super vague way to refer to something without saying it directly. If someone says 他们昨天晚上做了那个 or 那个了 it means if you take away anything from this video, make sure it's these 3 words 做上打做爱上床打炮 Once again, you can download the free study guide using the link in the description below. It includes all the Chinese vocabulary from this lesson, plus some extra words that didn't make it into the video, but are just as educational, along with their literal, implied meanings, sample sentences, and much, much more. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so I know to make more educational contents such as this one. Also, sorry if my voice sounded a little weird. I've had this cold for the past couple weeks, but it's getting better. So please don't dislike the video because of this. I promise you I'll be very, very useful. So please subscribe.
Thank you for this day I live in. Constant learnings to keep me thriving for challenges.